Why do contractors and rental equipment companies choose Star Industries heavy equipment attachments? Here are 10 reasons. Our equipment is designed here in the USA by a team of expert engineers. We also have our own manufacturing facility right here in Texas to ensure superior quality. We treat every request for a quote as a top priority because we know you can lose deals if you don't get a fast turnaround. We stock high levels of inventory and ship items fast when you order. You can expect same-day or next-day shipping with Star. Need parts? We keep replacement parts on hand, and our friendly support team is here to help you get exactly what you need. Our industry-leading warranty on craftsmanship covers most equipment for a full 5 years. Your attachments will still be in good shape after years of use. We have a very broad range of attachments for skid steers, telehandlers, cranes, and more. We even have storage solutions to keep everything organized. Our attachments are built rental tough to stand up to abuse on the job site. Thick steel and high-quality welding means longer-lasting attachments. We help construction teams do more with the same equipment by adding the right tools. One skid steer or telehandler can turn into a Swiss Army knife of options. We help rental companies drive more revenue by landing more deals and keeping equipment out on the site longer. Our attachments are designed with safety in mind and include user-friendly features, making work go faster without cutting corners. Star Industries. Do more. Choose Star.